In this video, we'll see how to run Lex and Yacc programs, which are part of compiler design. So first let us see how to execute Lex program. First you have to write your Lex program in a file. Then save it with the extension .l. For example, if you want to save your program, Lex program, you can save it as program1.l, program2.l, like that. Then if you want to create C program equivalent to your Lex program, you have to give your Lex program as input to the Lex tool. For that you need to give Lex command followed by space, after that the program name. So in this example, Lex space program1.l. So this will create lex.yy.c file. So this is the C file created by Lex tool, which is equivalent to your program which you have written in program1.l. So now if you want to compile the C program which is equivalent to your Lex program, you have to give cc space lex.yy.c space -ll. cc refers to C compiler, lex.yy.c, which is the output of Lex tool after taking your program Lex program as the input, and here -ll refers to Lex library. Then by compiling it you will get a.out. C compiler will generate a.out. So now if you want to execute the C program, you have to give /a.out. So now let us see how to execute Yacc program. Write your Lex code in a file with the extension .l. So you have to put your Lex program in .l extension having file. For example, consider that you have stored your program in program1.l Lex program file. Now write the Yacc code in a file. You have to save it with the extension .y. For example, consider that you have saved your program in program1.y. So now first you have to generate the C program which is equivalent for your Yacc program. For that you have to give Yacc space -d space program name .y. In this example, Yacc -d program1.y. So this will create y.tab.c as well as y.tab.h file will be created. In y.tab.h, all the tokens which are defined in the Yacc program will be stored with the unique token ID, and y.tab.c, that's a file created by Yacc tool. So in this C file, whatever the grammar you have written in the Yacc program, the equivalent code to recognize and validate your input string, that is there in y.tab.c. So now you have to generate the C program equivalent to your Lex program. So for that you have to give Lex space followed by the program name. So in this, here if you see, the example is Lex space p1.l. So this will create lex.yy.c. So now to compile your code, cc y.tab.c space lex.yy.c space -ll. So now whatever the output of Yacc program and whatever the output of Lex program, we are compiling together with the Lex library. So this in turn it will create a.out file. So that object code we can execute by giving /a.out. So this is the way how you can execute Lex and Yacc programs. Thank you.